Hi, my name is Johanna, and I chose a restaurant, a vegetarian vegan restaurant that would be in the Boone Blowing Rock area, and I would call it the Fennel Farm. And this might sound weird, but I actually am part of the Watauga Residential College, and up at the LLC we do grow fennel, so it just kind of figured why not. So I wanted this to be like a veg-based restaurant because we don't really have that in this area, and where I'm from is near the UNCG campus, where they have a vegetarian slash vegan restaurant called Boba House, and it does very well. Just because it gets good foot traffic from the community and especially the college community. And I feel that this would work just because we don't have anything like that around here. It would really probably make a lot of money and have a lot of business just because of the culture of our campus. It could be more upscale for families to come when they visit their kids that are on campus, or it could just be something that people go to, just walking distance, things like that. My slogan of sorts would be hunger, health, and heart, just because hunger is the first thing that you are satisfying when you have a business like this, a restaurant in general. Health, because it would be plant-based, and the only thing that you would really have that might be considered unhealthy would be just dairy products if you use butter and cheese. And heart, because of the many reasons why people generally choose to have a veg-based diet, having it, like, whether it be reducing your carbon footprint for animals, for the environment, just anything like that. I would want it to be where the Kava Bar is now, if anyone knows where that is, just because I like the seating inside of it. I like how it's formatted. I think it's a really cool area, and it's right across from the Holmes Convocation Center, so it wouldn't be too bad for students to walk if they wanted to walk there. Not everyone has cars on campus, and it would be far enough away from the main strip of King Street, which would help with pricing and help with just location wise and expenses. The only thing I would maybe see of not using that location or using that location is the fact that it does have kind of like an open bar area, so you'd have to kind of allocate for that. But yeah, that's the restaurant.